In this video, I will show you how to download and install VMware Workstation Pro for free. This is a full version and latest release. VMware Workstation Pro makes it easy to run local virtual environments to simulate operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, firewalls, platforms and clouds, all from the same desktop PC. Let's begin. Open your web browser and search for VMware Workstation Pro download. You must select the first link, which is from VMware blogs or blogs.vmware.com. Do not choose these other links from their official website because it's not working. You cannot download the application from their official website. Again, make sure to choose the first link, which is from blogs.vmware.com. We can see here that VMware Workstation Pro is now available for free. Now, scroll down. We can see the download option. VMware Fusion Pro download and VMware Workstation Pro download. Since we want to install the VMware Workstation Pro, then we will choose that option. We will be redirected to different website. Don't worry, this website is secured. If you already have an account, then you can directly log in. Since we are a new user, then we need to create an account. It's very simple and easy. At the top right, beside the login, tick the down arrow. Choose Register. We will be redirected to the user registration page. Another way, or the shortcut way, is to go directly to profile.broadcom.com and then register for a new account. No need for you to go to blogs.vmware.com, since you will also be redirected to this website. You can find all these links on the description below. You need to enter a valid email address because you will receive the verification code. Enter the text from image. Click Next to proceed. It will ask for the verification code. You need to check the email address you used for the verification code. If you haven't received any email from Broadcom customer support, then go back to the registration window, then click Resend. Wait for it, then refresh the email tab again. You should be able to receive this email. Open the email and take note of the verification code. Go back to the registration tab, then enter it manually. Once done, click Verify and continue. We need to enter some few more details. We need to complete the registration to proceed. Fill up necessary details, those with red asterisk. You can use different details here if you want. It's not required to use your real personal details. For the password, you need to meet the requirements. Make sure everything is all checked, then only can proceed. If have some grayed out, then you need to complete it. Confirm the password. Make sure the password matched. Check the box to accept the terms of use. Once everything complete, then click Create Account to proceed. Registered successfully. It's not necessary to build your profile, so we can choose I'll do it later. We will not be automatically logged in. We need to log in manually, so click Login. Enter the username. This would be your email address you used when you signed up. You can check Remember Me so that you don't need to enter the username again. Click Next to proceed. Next is the password. Enter the password you input when you signed up. You can tick on the eye icon to show and verify your password. If correct, then tick Sign in to proceed. Choose Save if you want this website to remember your account. We have now successfully logged in. You can see the profile name at the top. We can check My Profile or log out from here. Since we already have an account, then we can download the VMware Workstation executable file. Tick or expand the software option. Choose VMware Cloud Foundation. Tick My Downloads. You can also find this link on the description below. Now, scroll down and look for VMware Workstation Pro. We can also use the search option. We can simply search for Workstation and all related products will be shown here. Choose VMware Workstation Pro. Tick on it to proceed. We have here the options for Windows and Linux. Older versions will be shown here as well, but of course, we need to choose the latest one. Since I'm running on Windows 11, then I will choose VMware Workstation Pro for Windows. You can choose Linux if you're running on Linux. Tick on it to view the details. We have here the different release versions. The one on top is the latest one. During the time of this recording, the latest version available is 17.6.2. Older versions are also available to download. Now, tick on it to download. Check the box to agree to terms and conditions. We can see here the application details. The file name, the version, file size and build number. We can also see the last updated date. Now, if we try to download, we will receive some additional verification. Click Yes to proceed. Additional verification required. To proceed, we need to complete the required details. Those with asterisk. This is basically the address. Make sure to fill up all the details required. Once done, click Submit. We will be redirected again to the download page. Now, if we check the download option, it says HTTPS download. Tick on it to proceed. It will automatically download the executable file. Wait for it to finish the download process. We can now check the downloaded file. We can go to Downloads folder or we can simply click on the folder icon. Double-click on it to install. Click Next to proceed. Tick the box to accept the terms in the license agreement, then click Next. You can change the installation path if you want. I suggest you leave it to default settings. Next to proceed. I usually disable check for updates on startup for this application. You can leave it enabled if you want. I don't want to join the VMware Customer Experience program, so I disable that option. Next to proceed. You can leave these options checked if you want to create shortcut application on desktop and start menu program folder. Next to proceed. Before we click install, I will show you one thing. Let's open the network connections. We can simply go to search, then enter network and choose view network connections. There would be additional VMware virtual network adapters here. Do not delete it or else the application will have some issues. Click install to proceed. Wait for it to finish the installation process. You can see the shortcut application icon automatically created on desktop. It's now installing virtual network drivers. Notice new network adapters has been added. It automatically created 3 virtual network adapters for VMware. Again, do not delete or disable these VMware virtual network adapters. Click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Let's now launch the application. We have successfully installed the full version of VMware Workstation Pro. Notice that there is no 30 days trial displayed here. Let's check the application details. Go to Help, choose About VMware Workstation. Here you can see the product name, the application version and the device information. In the future, if you want to check for newer updates, you can go to Help and then choose Software Update. Choose Check for Updates and wait for it to complete the process. It will tell us that there is no software updates available since we just installed the latest version. If you have some issues downloading or installing the application, you can leave a comment below. You can also find the download links below. Well, that's all for today's demonstration and I really hope you liked this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell for more amazing tutorials. Thank you and see you in the next video.